Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, back again with another video, and this is live from Romania. Probably the light is not so good. I should get up here. Okay, so I'll wait for some people to join up. I know this is not an expected live, but I was having some free time. So hey, hi Sukrayat, hi Manu Jain, hi Paki Pawan, hi Rohan, how are you? Gaming Hub, Ansh Bhatia. Hey guys, how are you? How are you doing? I hope you are doing all good. I'll be taking up questions in a few minutes. And this is a live from Romania, the country of legendary Dracula. Although it's not really famous, that Dracula was a famous character written by a person from England, but actually the inspiration comes from Romania. So that's a little bit history in case you are interested in that. Utkarsh Srivastava says, how's your trip going? Absolutely fantastic. I'm in my 10th country so far. So far, I have traveled into ninth. And sir, you have lost your color. My color. What's my color? What's about color? It's gray. That's what about my color? I don't know. Okay, so wow. Yes, I have been traveling a lot. When you'll be coming back to Jaipur? I'm coming back Jaipur this week. Hopefully, I will be able to do Saturday live from my amazing, awesome, super cool studio. Are you traveling alone? Yes. Please remove slow mode. No, I haven't actually enabled slow mode. Actually, I don't know how to enable the slow mode even. Uh, nope. There, I have no idea how to enable the slow mode or to disable it if it is in. Just enrolled in Android P course. Hope it will be good for me. Yes, of course, it will be. When coming at LCO? I guess on Monday. Uh, Hello, good evening. Why are you traveling alone? Because you are not with me. Jaipur is missing you. Even I'm missing Jaipur so much. Uh, did you met with Dracula? Nope. Dinner in a few hours. It's just almost 5:43 here right now. Can I talk to you on audio? Sagar, I don't know if it is possible in the live chat to talk on audio. Okay, so will India win the World Cup this time? I really wish. I really wish. The team looks super strong, so I wish they win this time. I'm really hoping so. So a few funny questions are also. What is the special about Romania? Romania is a little bit a less explored country. In fact, the entire Eastern Europe is less explored. People explore more towards the Paris, Switzerland. Even I have done that in the initial days. Then I thought that I will be exploring from Germany till this Romania, which is pretty good because after that you get Russia and Istanbul and all of that. I've already done Istanbul, Turkey. So good. Even today I'm planning to have a baklava, which is amazing super dish. If you get that, don't miss it. Sudhar1 says, hello, Hitesh, say hi. Hi, Sudhar. How are you? Who is your favorite cricketer? My favorite cricketer has always been Sachin. I just can't forget that. Sachin. After that, Dhoni is he's pretty interesting, pretty interesting. And after that, no, not much. Process to meet you. There is no such process. You can just come to at our office whenever you like, and hopefully I'll be there. Okay. Why are you traveling so much? Traveling is another thing. Hit likes, else strike. Yes, of course. You have forgot to hit the like button. Hey guys, please go ahead. I can just only see 10 likes. That is super bad. Super bad. So go ahead, hit that like button. Until unless we are not proceeding. So on Ice Tree Strike. Okay, so Chang says I liked. Yes, a few people have started to like, but not much. Done, done, like done. Hey Ashish, thank you so much. Sumit Chawla says thank you so much. Bring one iced tea for me. Yes, of course, Ashish. Whenever you say, whenever you say. Iced tea is always on, no matter what the country is, no matter what the season is. Iced tea is always on. Okay, what's get spy? It's not get spy, it's gets b, which is kind of a like framework. In case in the PHP you've heard about Laravel and all these amazing, fantastic stuff. In the React also we have some stuff which is gets b, through which you'll be making one of the project. And I believe till the next Monday or maybe Tuesday, the entire full-fledged course will be available on Learn Code Online for free, of course. And on YouTube, it's going to be one video at a day from Monday to Friday. Saturday, we go live. Sunday, we just enjoy the stuff. So this is how it's going to be. We're in Romania. I'm in the capital of Romania, Bucharest, which is pretty amazing, fantastic town so far. I haven't explored it much, just a few walk, like around 2 kilometers in the circular direction. So yeah. Your company name. Which one you're talking about, Sagar? I do have a couple of them. So which company you are talking about? Okay, so how to, no matter what the country is, you just need an iced tea. Yes, of course. Iced tea. And here I got the favorite brand, Lipton, which is not my favorite in the India, but this is the closest I can get here. Otherwise, their brands are not so good. Yeah, some of them were really amazing, but yeah. Waiting for you here at Jaipur, sir. Hey, Samprit, I'm really, really excited to meet you. I was super happy that you started to take over our boot camps. Super happy with that. And yes, I'm bringing chocolates for you, Samprit, and all other team here. So yes, very, very soon I'm coming. Hopefully, I will be able to meet you on Saturday as well. Internal team will meet me on Saturday, and rest of all the people on Monday. I feel like I'm lost in Django, sir. Hey, if you are feeling lost in Django, just make sure you post some questions or post me some on Instagram. Our team is always there to help you. I can understand our Django course is pretty massive, 8 projects, pretty extensive. So, yeah, it can be easy. You have a lot of money. No, I have a lot of time. Money doesn't make you travel. Or, yeah, surely it's important. Never denied that. Saturday live came early. No, no, it's not early. Hopefully, I will be able to make up Saturday live from my studio. Rate my DP, sir. Your DP is amazing. This is the pic I remember. I actually bought my first Apple Watch. Yes, it was first. Yes, it was first Apple Watch. I was having this long of beard, this much of the beard, and then I posed it like that. And so this is one of my favorite pics. Seems like you don't like to focus on your health, just work, work, work. Kind of typical me. So, yeah, sometimes I work, sometimes I travel. You know, yeah, I do take care of my health by hitting the gym, so getting in shape. I know I should sleep more, but yeah. Code someone become freelancer just knowing HTML and CSS and JS? It depends what kind of JavaScript we are talking about. If we are talking about Node, React, Vue, Angular kind of stuff, then yeah, definitely. But just with HTML, CSS, it's pretty tough. Just watched your Gatsby tutorial. I don't know Node. It's okay. Node is not being used in the Gatsby project. We will be using different kind of stuff, contentful and stuff. So I think you don't sleep properly. Hey, I'm traveling. I'm getting up every single day at 5 o'clock because that's how I can just get more of the city and town, and I'm sleeping late. So, it's not a vacation. It's not travel. What's the most beautiful country in your visited list? Uh, if you're talking about in this particular travel that I have seen, I have visited. This is my 10th country. The one city that impressed me so far was Dresden. Dresden is a small town, city. You can call whatever it like. It's a Dresden. I am super impressed by that. Super impressed. Dresden is super amazing. But yes, of course, still Jaipur remains my favorite. Being so hot, being so cold, still it remains one of my favorite city, even after traveling so much. But yes, in this trip, Dresden was so much. When you're coming at Jaipur, I'm so excited to meet during online bootcamp. I'm coming on this Saturday. Hopefully, if the flights are on time, I'll be able to catch you up even on Saturday as well. But I'm not pretty sure. I'm not pretty sure. For Monday, 100%. Are you on a business tour? No, this is not a business tour. This is not a vacation. This is a travel. I hope everybody knows that there is a difference between vacation and travel. Vacation means just relax, eat late breakfast, go to sauna, and all these fancy stuff. Travel means explore more countries. So there's a difference between vacation and travel, according to me at least. uh, Okay, so why are you in Romania? Because I wanted to visit this place. So, do you still have Harley Davidson? Yes, Utkarsh, I do still own my Harley, the beautiful Harley Davidson. It's just sitting in my garage doing nothing. But yes, I still own it. I will always own it. I'm not never gonna get rid of that bike because it's so close to me. It's just the first dream bike. So no matter in what condition it is, however it's gonna look like, it's always gonna be with me. What's your plan on competitive programming? Hey, Surendra Singh, the competitive programming plan is going to be released, I hope, by the end of next week. The first session that we are going to be releasing up. Uh, it's going to be a teamwork that we have to do. But for that, first, I need to go back to my city, Jaipur. Speaking like English teacher? No, not like that. Your company's name, all. Uh, Pretty private stuff. To be fairly honest, most of my companies do much, much better than Learn Code Online. So that's all I can say as of now. Uh, how to earn money as a node developer? You can join any company, can create. Uh, LCO is, I don't know what that means. How are the girls in Romania? Rate on 10. That would be cruel to rate anybody on 10. But yes, they're pretty friendly, nice to talk. You know, I guess I need to block Cyber. I'll block him. I want to visit you. I am in Bucharest. Oh, if you're in Bucharest, I'm staying in Redison. I'm in Pashnafar. I'm staying in Parkin Redison. So, in case you want to visit me, you can ping me on Instagram. And I'm still at hotel. Late night also, I'll be in hotel. Tomorrow, I'll be visiting the Bran Castle. So, in case you want to come and visit me, I'll be here. No problem. Join me up. I can offer you iced tea. So, if you are in Bucharest, just ping me on my Instagram, Hitesh0141. So that would be an awesome, and I would love to meet you as well. I met a couple of people in Germany as well. They were also Learn Code Online students. It was pretty good. Didn't click any photo or something they didn't wanted it to have, so it's fine. Did you learn some Romanian? No, not yet. I've been traveling so much in so many countries. You missed my two super chat. Kapil, I told you, grow some beard. Mac versus gaming. Mac, come on. What's your point on open source contribution? We are trying even to build up some projects or something that can scale up quite good, and we can contribute something in open source. Even there are a few things we will be planning. It's just on progress. There's so many things going on. Ice the world record soon? Uh, I don't think so. I think many more people have taken the iced tea in many more countries. Razorpay launched international payments. I'm already on international payments, Mr. Vargas. I am already on international payments. So if they make it a little bit more better, because right now in the Razorpay, the failure rate is pretty high. And I see a lot of people getting denies and all of that. I wish their database could be as awesome as Stripe, but eventually it will be there. So yes, there are some issues that we are facing in the Razorpay International, but I'm already on that, so no big deal. But yes, it's a good news that it has launched the international payment. I think Razorpay is doing absolutely a killer job in the payment integration, and I haven't met these guys yet. I would love to meet them in some conference or something, but so far, super impressed. I would just love to be in interaction with their team, uh, just a coffee or maybe an iced tea with them. So it would be good. Why don't you make some course on data structure and algorithm? Uh, Hopefully. Why don't you add a placement cell? Because when you add placement cell, you don't get much of the learners who think that learning is important. Rather, you get people who are just interested in getting placement by hook or by crook. And that is the last thing that I want to get at my office, at my website. I want people who are genuinely interested in learning the stuff. And once you learn the stuff, you have the skill, getting a job or starting something on your own as an entrepreneur or launching up a business is not a big deal. Okay, so when did you started programming? Uh, Probably like around 10 or 11 years ago. Pretty long time. Pretty long time. Are you married? Nope, not yet. Will you recruit Flutter developer? No, we don't have any like major product in Flutter. We have one which is ongoing, which is not that much big, but yes, we don't have much of the Flutter product as of now, so there's no point of hiring Flutter developers. So yeah, course is already all done, so no need of Flutter. Surely we'll be hiring some of the freelancers kind of a stuff on Flutter to answer questions in our Flutter course and other courses. I'm from Bulgaria. By the way, have you been there? Yes, I have been in Bulgaria as well. I was in Sofia just yesterday and today morning as well. It was pretty good. I enjoyed there. Okay, so can you please talk about freelancing? I think there's so many things that I want to talk about: history, freelancing, a little bit about digital marketing, because we do it pretty well online and offline. So probably a little bit want to talk about that, but I'm not pretty sure that my audience is ready to take all of that kind of things. Like I have a pretty deep interest in history, World War I, World War II, Berlin, concentration camp, and then on the tech side. So there's a lot that I can talk on. But the problem is, will my audience be accepting all these other things as well? I do have to share a lot about my life as well. But I'm not pretty sure that whether the tech audience will like that. So usually what happens, you create a channel with the name of like programming Hitesh or technical Hitesh or something like that, and you post all these things here. Then you create a channel like Hitesh Chaudhary, and then you share all these stuff here. With me, it's going to be totally opposite of the case. Like Hitesh Chaudhary is going to be all technical and tech stuff, and probably some other channel where I talk just mumbo jumbo and stuff. So I haven't paid taxes since 2000. Pretty sad. How much it costs to travel in Romania? If you're going to be traveling just to Romania, it's going to be damn expensive because your traveling is going to be so much. So don't just travel to Romania, just come to any European country, travel by road. I have traveled, by the way, 3,000 kilometers on road in Europe in this trip alone. So travel along the road, take some bus or take some train. The trains are pretty nice, and just visit a couple of countries. So is Firebase okay server millions of downloads? I use Firebase definitely can handle more than million, but it should not be a free product. Otherwise, you'll be paying a hefty price and your users will be totally free users. So make a model which charge the user a little bit so that you can pay the fees of Firebase. It should not be free. Otherwise, you'll be paying a hell lot of money, will not be making any money, so you'll be in the debt. I think that's not a good idea. What is your business model? Straightforward. Okay, there's a super chat. So please help out with this situation. Hey, Abhishek, what is the situation? You forgot to write the situation. Anyways, let's move on. Harsh Gupta, big fan. Thank you so much, Harsh. Owen says, I'm outside your door. Door is just open. You can just come by. Open it. It's open. Just handle it and just come in. Okay. So which text editor do you use? Which text editor you recommend to a beginner? VS Code. I know most of the people, including me, don't like Microsoft that much, but they have done a fantastic job in Visual Studio Code. So I would highly, highly recommend that. Previously, I was on Atom, which is pretty fantastic, but VS Code is just on to a killer next level. So I highly recommend. How do you earn money? A lot of ways. YouTube money. I forgot that. YouTube money. YouTube makes you millionaire, billionaire. So much fun with the YouTube. How to send CRF token in CSRF token in React Native? You don't need to send a CSRF token in React Native. They automatically take care of that. Hello from Canada. Dry water. Dry water. That is completely a different name. When you will come to Chennai, as soon as Chennai cools down. Mac OS or Windows? I genuinely like Mac because it's first and foremost no blue screen of death, no so much frequent update, pretty reliable. That's the reason I like it. I just open it and start working on that. In Windows, I keep on installing drivers. This doesn't work. This works. It doesn't match up with my workflow, especially with the things like a lot of Git, Python, Node, a lot of new stuff. So, and on top of that, it's a pretty slow kind of thing. Eventually, with the years, since the hardware is not controlled by Microsoft, eventually it gets slowed down. So, you know, that's the reason. How was Germany? Germany was fine. It was cold, like not in the weather, but people-wise, it was cold. I prefer Dresden, which is you are a millionaire. Yes, I'm a YouTube millionaire. I got rich by making YouTube videos, which get like 500 views, 600 views. Just kidding. Uh, why my comments are being blocked? Your comments are being blocked if you use something abusive or any link in that. They automatically. Are you in a hotel? Yes, I'm in a hotel. Actually, there's a very harsh light outside, so I thought I'll stay in a room for an hour and then I'll go back outside on the streets. I'm 17. Is it late to start programming? I have completed C. You have already completed C. You are just 17. So first and foremost, it's not a good idea to mention your age. It's rude. And I think you can still get 1 year of rest and then start again. There's no such late or early or anything like that. How to go through documentation properly? I have mentioned and shown that in every single course that I make. So in case you haven't taken up any of my course, go ahead, try that. As fans, how can we meet you? Office is always open for you guys. You can just walk in, just let me know before so that I can be at office on time. And apart from that, if you find me anywhere in the university or anywhere, just say hello. Or just reach me out Instagram. It would be super awesome to talk to you on Instagram. Okay, so a video on your life journey. Uh, my life journey in the early days is not so great, so probably I would avoid talking about it. It was a brutal childhood in a in not so great condition, no money and stuff. So it's not a great childhood that I had. So yeah, let's forget about it. So yeah, I had tough time, but again, life has been kind on me. What brought you in Romania? I think, by the reason of going through Sofia and Bucharest, I was already traveling to the 8 countries, all these Croatia, Vienna, Prague, all of these. And to leave just 2 countries, I would never be back in these 2 countries if I leave them right now. So it's better to cover them right now and just check mark them off. That yes, once I was in Bucharest, once I was in Sofia, it would be pretty great stories. So how to get started with AWS? What is serverless? AWS is not a thing that I can just talk right in a video or two. Probably I need 3 or 4 videos to talk about AWS. Basically, Amazon, what it does is they give you all these servers in their cloud, and they give you all of their hardware to install MySQL, MongoDB, or any other software that you want or a server that you want, and you can just use their things. What happened to your Harley Davidson? No, nothing happened. It's just sitting in the garage. So as I was saying, in the AWS, they they give you all their hardware and you can access them just paying a small amount of fees. And to configure these services like MySQL and all of that, putting up connections, putting up instances, this is all about AWS, Amazon Web Services. Pretty easy. They do have a lot of certification and stuff as well, but it's pretty easy to just mess around with this stuff. The support is also pretty awesome. Which thing you find best about Romania? I haven't found much on it because I came here today only. I will be exploring it tomorrow. I will be exploring in the night as well. I have heard that the night is pretty fantastic and interesting in Bucharest. Let's see. Lagging, not from my side because it's a hotel. Redison Blue always gives like 60, 70 Mbps of upload. Not my side. And yes, I am vlogging a little bit, not much, but all the vlogs are not going to be coming up. Not even a single vlog is going to come up on YouTube, because all of these kind of are live vlogs on the Instagram stories. So I'm posting stories and consider that as a vlog. So actually, to just vlog, it actually ruins my personal experience of traveling so much. I'm just behind the camera all the time, like, and I don't want to. I don't want to. I want to experience it with my own eyes. Just want to enjoy the view, click some photos. I don't want to be a guy who just makes videos on the trip. At least I make a lot of videos at my home. To travel on these, I just want to see with my own eyes, not through the camera lens. Don't skip Hungary on your trip. I have already been into Hungary. I bought a nice hat in that. In case you want to see that, just stories are over. But I think I posted a photo on Instagram in the Hungarian hat. It's pretty good. I've been to Hungary. Which iced tea is better? Lemon iced tea is always amazing, and I love that. I love your MongoDB series. Thank you so much. The MongoDB series is officially over now. As of now, probably we'll add some of the more videos in Learn Code Online, because the amount of views that I'm getting in the MongoDB series is 500, 600. So it's getting pretty down, and there is no point in posting the videos which are not getting views. You know how YouTube works. The things that get you views, the things get you more audience. You would love to post that. Why would I post a video which is getting like 100, 200 views? 100 and 200 views means not many people are interested in that. So yeah, I'll just stop that series. Can you show your room? There is nothing much interesting in the room. That's outside door. That's a mirror. That's me sitting. That's for coffee and working table. And on this side, there is a room, balcony. So it's not a big room. And yes, the one good thing is outside the room, there is nice, awesome pool. The photo is being posted already on Instagram, so you can find out there. What does that tattoo mean? Maybe some another day. Thank you for the new series, Developing React Application. Hey, thank you so much. Those videos are pre-recorded. Pre-recorded. I will be posting more videos on Learn Code Online once I reach home. So yeah. Will you hire intern and full stack developer? Yes, of course. We need a couple of more interns very soon, so I'll post update there. As of now, we are on the top of the questions already. So maybe we need a couple of, like one more person to handle more questions at Learn Code Online. So yeah, we will be hiring that very, very soon. In case you are already interested in replying in like few courses, it should only be like, I want to reply in just Android course. We don't want to hire a person who just replies in one course. We want a person who is into multiple domain and can reply to our students in maybe Python, maybe JavaScript, maybe Android, like couple of courses at least. There's a ghost behind you. This is a country of Dracula. So yes, ghosts are always going to be nearby. Make sure you keep garlic near you, and a wooden cross will do it. Hitesh, do you know Sindhi language? I wish I would be more prominent in more languages. I just know Marwari, Hindi, English, and I can read Spanish, can talk a little bit, but I'm not that fluent. I almost forgot what that is. Oh, looks like I got a message. Bring a Dracula back with you, please. I would love to. Okay, so I got just a message that I should be going outside now. Don't forget to visit the Vlad Castle. I am going to Vlad Castle tomorrow. Thank you so much. And a lot of people have recommended it, so I'm going there. In fact, I'm in the Bucharest just to visit the Vlad Castle. Because, yeah, say namaste. Hey, namaste, everyone. But it's time to say bye-bye. Not namaste. Now it's time to hum chalte. So, just kidding. Okay, so that's it. Haha, great joke. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is all for how's the currency rate. Currency rate in Bucharest is €1 is equivalent to 4 lev, which is the Bucharest currency. Oh, there is a super chat. REST API for mobile app and admin panel website, Laravel versus Node versus Flask. It depends. It depends. Node.js is pretty easy to craft APIs. On the other hand, I'll not talk about Flask because I don't have much experience on that. I have much more experience on Django. So Django can handle much more API requests compared to Node. But in the Node, crafting of these API is super easy and super simple. So will you be getting more traffic, or want you just make a prototype? So okay, so I will be ending it up because I'm getting a call. I need to pick that up. So I know it's hurry up. Bye bye.